We now move on to more details about primary data. So, our topic is collection of primary data, census versus sample. Let us see first how we can proceed. Suppose we have to conduct a study of 2000 children and their parents in a school. There are two ways. There are two ways of making this study. One, contact all 2000. One way. Second, contact only 10%, that is 200. When we contact all the entire set of 2000, it is called universe. It is called universe. It is also called population. Population here does not mean number of people. Population here means number of items to be covered in the survey. There may be people, there may be things, there may be anything. And when we contact a part of this universe, say only 200, we call it a sample. तो हम इसको सैंपल बोलते हैं. मैथमेटिक्स की भाषा में वी कैन कॉल इट पॉपुलेशन सबसेट. पॉपुलेशन सबसेट. यहां तक तो आप समझ गए होंगे. 2000 बच्चों का सर्वे करना है, सबको लें तो ये 2000 यूनिवर्स कहलाएगा. इसमें से कुछ को लें तो वो सैंपल कहलाएगा. द सर्वे डन इन दीज मैनर्स, इट इज कॉल्ड census survey. And in this manner, when you take only a part of it, we call it sample survey. Census survey and sample survey. There are 2000 children. There are 2000 items. Each item is called an element. हर आइटम को हम एलिमेंट बोलते हैं. So, in this we take all elements And in sample survey we take selected elements. We take selected elements. So, broadly there are two ways of conducting a survey. The census survey, take all the elements, or the sample survey, take the selected elements. Now the question arises, which is better?